Hi, welcome to this module about technical foundations and future innovations. So this module is mostly a discussion module where I'm trying my best to address some of the questions which you might already have in your mind and help you with that. So the most common questions that we get is my data secure? Where is the data stored? Who administers it? What have you done for the data security? And all of the questions relating to this domain. And this is a very good questions, and we really appreciate these questions. So EduXGateway's database server is with AWS database server. Currently we have a database server in Sydney, but it could be in multiple geographies to accommodate for multiple different clients. So AWS is Amazon Web Services, and it provides what we call, in a very basic language, a banking grade security. AWS is used by a lot of reputed organizations, including financial institutions, and that is one of the best that we can host our data currently in the market. So in short, your data is secured, stored with a very reputed company like Amazon, and that's one of the best, and they have the best standards to protect the data from a lot of different attacks and all the things. Now about is my data will be seen by another account, or will you use the data, etc. So all accounts are segregated, and they can only see the data up to their account level hierarchy, and one account cannot see the data and another side. So data is secure in that manner. Now if you are worried about how safe is my data from the database provider, or the organization like EduXGateway itself, EduXGateway is a very reputed Australian organization, and will have to abide by our Australian laws and rules and regulation to keep the customer data safe and secure and do not misuse, etc. So our the way we handle data and our terms and conditions are already clearly provided in our website, and you can check them, and if you have any concerns you can raise it to them, but we are following all the industry practices to protect and keep the data of you and your client safe and secure in a manner in which the IT industry does these things in Australia. So now in terms of API and external integrations, like do you provide APIs, can I integrate this with my system? So there are a lot of requests are coming. So we will be able to provide EduXGateway to CRM and other systems. So if you have any such advanced request, you can definitely let us know what are your requirements, and then we will be able to provide you an API keys and sandbox where you can test it to create a lot of things, like create leads automatically, to create clients and get clients information, or even just get our college rules and prices and listings, and then show it in your one system. So whatever your requirements could be, we have a very good tech team, and we will be able to provide you whatever the integration requirements that you will have. Of course, we will need to send you a proposal, and there might be a cost relating to it, but that can be discussed whenever you present your requirement. Now the other questions which I'm not listed here is actually around white labeling. Let me write here. Okay, the customization and white labeling part. So yes, you will be able to do certain customizations directly from your settings, but then we can do more white labeling aspect. Just putting a simple logo is a small affair, but if you want a domain level white labeling for the app to completely call in your CRM, like my student CRM instead of EduXGateway, we will also be able to provide you those white labeling solutions for an appropriate fee. So whatever these requirements are on white labeling, we will be able to meet those requirements, and you will need to let us know. There is also a bit of a request: can we redistribute your CRM to or resell your CRM? Our CRM is already provided free for up to 10 users, which covers nearly 90% of all our client base. So, but if anybody is interested in that, then you could approach us for that. Now, product roadmap. So what is your plan for the futures and upcoming features? Of course, we are reinforcing a lot more on a self-service recruitment so that we can reduce the load and we can improve the margins for the agencies. Also, we have plans for strengthening our rules-based recruitment, and then bringing in sophisticated CRM to social media management, because we are seeing more and more agencies use social media as their primary source of leads, and it is becoming more vital than ever that the CRM connects with the social medias that we use. And then we can manage all the inquiries directly from our CRM. We can link those conversations back to the leads and clients. So there will be a lot of work that will be done around that. Since EduXGateway is primarily focused around smaller agents, so we will also be developing more capabilities to create drag drop landing pages so that you can create your own websites very fast, and you can create more beautiful lead forms with those landing pages and integrate all of them. So we will be doing a lot more work around the landing pages for lead acquisitions, and we are also around the social media. Similarly, whatever request we get, we will try to turn them around in an appropriate time. So if you have any feature request, we would love to hear about it. Anything that helps more than one specific client, we are happy to take it and roll it out as fast as possible. If it is a private feature that you need, we can talk and provide the customization to you separately. But if it is a feature that helps the community of our agents, helps the marketplace of our agents, then we will be investing in that, and we will be releasing those features. Okay, in terms of best practices, some of this has already been discussed. We recommend that administrators use our CRM, particularly through their laptop. We also recommend the use of transactions rather than just applications. Agency Lite might be suitable for our smaller agents for a while, but then in the long run, we recommend the use of the full-fledged CRM, which also provide advanced lead and other functionality. Similarly, you can also use our events for the best practice. The CRM can be as good as the type of data that you put in and the structure of it. So there's a whole concept of garbage in, garbage out. So if you have your own protocols relating to how you will name a transaction, how you will name an application, how you will name a file, they will help you go a long way. We will be publishing some of the best practices in naming, in also like notes writing, in our questionnaires and in our knowledge base, and we will release it. Sorry, not questionnaires, knowledge base. So again, another area of emphasis will be to make sure you standardize your notes and give more guidance to your teams about note writing. We will also be putting out some more knowledge-based material for that. And for any additional help and additional resources, seeking help section, we discussed already that if it is a partnership, create issues. If it's something you want to provide a feedback, you put it out there. Also, our sales team member who has onboarded you, they will be more than happy to hear back from you. You can definitely reach out to them. We will be providing more help sections. We will be providing more knowledge bases as an additional resources as well. So yeah, it has been quite a few 12 modules. Thank you for staying with me until the last module. I have very much appreciation for your patience and also your willingness to implement this CRM and improve your processes and also make it easier for the client. So thank you so much for being with us and completing this final module. I wish you the very best in your role or in your business, and I would love to hear from you in incoming days. So that's all from me and this final module. Wish you the very best.